Kublai P Baro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Mat kiba kongsan mentara singi kilong. Raikut uba Adelbert Nongrum Banyada Yaki Palma. Dang buon kidekot ke HNLC kin pendem ong uba Preston. Thakhe uba Preston bamhun kinong di Madan. Ban dang ke training hikai kam ni Samla ke North Shillong constituency. Bat mentang ini pai siki Khubor ke bakampanya. Uba Adelbert Nongrum MLA na North Shillong haka jinga kendo bat kilat patai Khubor haka artarik Naitung ula ong menta ba ula sya sden ringin suspense kumudukot jangka Voice of the People Party VPP kamde ka kamram jung u ban pentip sya usyong kenor ka yeng dorbar tauan ke Jylla. Hendrei ka day hakinong yalam ka VPP banle yala ka kamram. Uba Adelbert ulaong unsale yala kamram ban ai jingsneng yaki tu kibakam yala de baki day ki professor lakin long neem kibabit ban hikai haki school ba ni ban ai jing hikai yaki pad ba ulakan tu ki pad ba kari khasi jantia ban sngoth sha yakani ka kam arsap bat khauput baki nong yalam ka VPP kinale ulaong ru dan lele unum sha ni ailat ikinong yalam ka VPP ban pendan kam bakla yaki pat ba bat yakajat benriu nak benta ka jingbit jingbiang jom kinong yalam ka VPP ulapan pau ba un yada katla kat yai yaki pat ba nak ka jing pendan kam bakla jom kinong yalam ka VPP
Jonga ko kamram hi ka di jong ka party hi bakan ai ka copy sha honorable speaker jong ka assembly ban pentip kum ke intimation kabang layo yakan barbali badu speaker kam don ru kata ti ngarsale iru ra ka jong kamram banai ka jikai banai ka jing sneng yi di parlok ki bakam le di beri professor kabang tip kilong fit banong professor banikai ya ka ya bakin go back to their institution dari university bakin ai ka jikai ya kita ki student ini bakin one field of politics banai jikai pajba pajkar kom suspending ngat kadang ngomong wari suspension kadi di termination pajba kari khasi jantia di bersutu mani di kam arsap kam khauput ko coward dies many times before that kadi ko pagkan mau bahkan di kapol kan keren kan penpau nomor ya kabangan syayus mga to ko ban use la ban use ni ban syayus ya pajba kajab ban riu na mailat mungkin use tadaw kijag ni hi bro nomor ngayen kan ngorem bayu pajba hi nginom penokam bakla yaki nam tak jiman toy jongno kamar kada was ko pan pau tan kawai masau sik thang kamdon ke jing burom apreng jongki kimtip karul ka a nyiman pegar kom addressing arse tu Adelbert nongrum jawlum sentio atau kimtip ya destination cuma atau kamde elected representative cuma paiba kane kamde baki nyoben nga kamde baki undermine nga kade baki undermine ke electorate ke budget nga ti ngasukuran takata bang sale ro kakap dari kapur ban ai ke jikai ya kini ki ban kam ke jikai adu mata ngara di VPP non bala ban khang non bala ban nga bang amde su VPP non bala ro ban nga ba kin mana ai ban keren ngan keren kan ke bang ban keren bala khala loy laim lai loy kani diga democratic country democratic nation democratic state ngila ban keren lai loy ngim non kam ban khang mon di ka constitution ada ka khang constitution jo parti jongno ngam salia ngam
naka jingwan ban pendem white armut ki dukot ke HNLC hakatayo balala usumbut menteri rangba ba Preston tensong ulaong ngati kena baki wei ki dukot ru enda kilas ngotho baka lawe jongki kampoi shay ru kin sa pendem hi naka nuksa kini ki arngut ki balawan pendem yalade namar baki ngotho ki don kam ya ka lawe ka babha haka imlang salang nalor kata urayat ho ke sarkar kan le teng ladadon kanu ke jinglum pisa bean de kinu ki kenhon ni ki riu shimet kaan kan le yala ka kamram bad ula kan turu ekipat ba habaki yo ya kinu ki shithi dawa pisa ki de ban pentep marmar shikibor jong kaan
other members will also realize one day that the career of themselves is ending nowhere, is leading nowhere. For example, like these two boys who surrendered themselves Why they did that? Because ultimately they realize one thing, that they need their career. They are only in the age of maybe below 30. So they need their career more than anything else. So ultimately they join back the mainstream. So I would appeal all other members also to kindly follow the footsteps of those two boys who recently surrendered.
But do you see that more members of HNLC are taking shelter in the neighboring country?
That I have nothing to say. I can't say anything, I cannot comment anything. But of course our police force are very much alert about all this.
There is a related question.
They're in the news sometimes.
No, if it is there, if there is any kind of collection of fund or money illegally by any group of people, by any individual, law again will take action accordingly. We have to.
But since the lot of demand notes, lot of extortion notes has come forward in various viral.
No, that has been done. That's what I'm telling. Whatever we receive, once the letter, the demand note or whatever, if the concerned individual send it to us, then action will be taken accordingly. But the problem is sometimes even those people who receive such letter or such demand, they never complain, they never inform the government machinery. So I would request all the concerned, in case if they receive any kind of demand note from anywhere, please come forward, inform the government, and action will be taken accordingly.
Will there be any summary action in this regard?
Ba Preston Tensong sembut Menteri Rangba ulak tha bat bayong kli ngit. Habaki nong de madan Kim Kongu bat Kim Hun ya kajing penyad bat penbet ka sorkar lengba ka Shillong Municipal Board ya kijaka de mar bathamai. Uba Preston Tensong haka artarik Naitung hajar pusan haka jingakren bat kilat pathai Khubor ulaong ba umla pan snguthu kumnu kini kibriu kiwanra kum ya kane kajing haban na kaliang ka sorkar kalale ya kababhatam na kabanta jongki. Ulaong ru haki babun ki jingalang laju ya kren bun ki ki bashay bat ki babania. Nalor kata ulaong ka sorkar kam Samla berat yaki.
Even today the drive is on. And see, let me just tell you one thing. I don't know why people create this kind of problem. Meeting was held. That vending committee has already had a detail of meeting, a series of meeting, and a detail also was worked out. And blueprint was also there. Of course, maybe initially, those names which was not considered due to the paperwork where they don't have, ultimately they were not considered to be entitled to that COV, that certificate of vendors. So, but as I said to you, this committee keeps sitting every now and then. So therefore, the decision taken by this committee last time, it is only to implement the decision taken by them, which I personally feel, even from government side, we feel that it is high time that we have a dedicated place for the vendors throughout Shillong.
But now with the entire thing, so what do you feel?
You tell me, which entire thing? What entire thing? You tell me.
They are
They
demanding.
are not happy. What?
They are
Pending a provisional committee meeting, vendor committee.
Whether provisional or permanent is it's all the same. It is functional. So, and then they are also part of that committee. It's not that only government officials were there. Even from their side, they were there. They discussed about all the interests of the hawkers. So, therefore, I would only request the vendors cooperate. We bring all your issues in this committee. Committee will take care of all the issues. And from the government side also, we don't want to just throw them out. We understand the livelihood of our people. But we, as per the Act, since the Act is in place, we have to also follow strictly the Act and the rules of that Act, which is being implemented.
Ka training hikai ban tre ban kta ban seng ya laki kam ki jam kelas dang biang nagabenta ki Samla Shinrang bat kentei ka North Shillong constituency. Kajing temu bakongsan kane ka training kalong ban hikai trai kam ya ki Samla bakinla ban yeng halaki jong ki kjat ban sedang ke laki kam ki jam dalaki jong ki kti balak pentebet. Uba Adelbert Nongrum MLA North Shillong ula sedang ya kane ka training nagabanta ki Samla ban yeng halaki jong ki kjat rengkat kajing trai lang bat ka Meghalaya Social Development Society MSDS. Habakran hakani kasngi uba Adelbert Nongrum ula ai khublei yaki nong hikai bad eki Samla ki balawan ban shimbenta yakani ka kabuksiar ban pentebet yalade hakani ka training program. Ula penken mau hakasin ka ban ningkong kani ka training kalalong ka bajob bad ka balawan ra ki jing mentoy yaki Samla ki balawan ban sha hikai bad ban pentebet yalade. Ula ong kani ka kenti kalong kasin ka baar ban penlong yakani ka training program. Ula kentu ki Samla ki bawan sha hikai ban minat top ban temu ban poi sha ka thong jing job ha ka jing em jom ki. Ula ong ru bakaroi kapa kamdei tang ban shna surok ban pen bha yaki lenti singkin hanrei ka ne ka thong ka long ban penroi ban kentiu yaki Samla jong ka ne ka juk daki kti ki batbet ban trei yaki kam ki jam babun jan. Kinong tray ki bala sya hikai bat ki bala pentebet yalade ki wanra shibun ki jing mento ye ki tu ki ba aikam kumju ru yaladehi ula ong. Baro ki jing lut ki bayade bat kane ka training program labai nadong shadong da uba Adelbert nong mikmat padba ka North Shillong constituency. Ula penkut ya ka jing kran da ka ba kurkhu kurdo ye ki nong hikai bat kumju ru ye ki Samla ban duriap minot hakane ka training program.
Ya, biar ka bagi kam complete. Nong tu nong urus ni urung baik. Mo nrei ban rat tikong ya ka drugs. Ya ka kia ikiwe pa kijing sniu ni iki kon Samla ka te ka chram. Kai baja pa dai la nanu kan pite ba. Masumu ipi bapia ya ka nanti bade. Kini ru kan sakren ye ki ru kiya ya ka nanti bade ko bapi bilong. Pide ki nong yaram pide ki nong muna batan na ban kring na kiwe makin ya tu ya paklar ke jingi bujoki pide ki Samla pide bodlo pide ki jabir pide ki klongsna pide ki tinsna na berta kalawi ki longdin ada mapi ki Samla pi khlem lo mata pitrot no pingok no aki jing sniu aki jing persoy mano pa pe ki kalawi de mar khadao to pandit alani convince dia ini kibri ki khor samai ko shabat ni ter kam sarkar pe japor covid sang po ja ko yo banta ye ki ko stil mo nek la man ki la kita mau buat one shoot makin mi manon jikar men ka jala jungi ma piwe pi de jikar men ya kan mata tak mau pi nula to ye te la man akhe to ye te la mo sarkar ke mo nila dari tak mau sacrifice mo to get something you have to do something ma pinyo ye ya pandu ye mapinyo orang tak kejing itu mapinyo orang kata kejing subha kejing kawai dawai kejing masya kuat lagi subha ini pitu dapat kejing mentua bersisa deh kemat kadau pengen bata yefi kibaron sabar kidon lagi treat prepare kita ini kampung ki call center kita asli kita ini ni pasal penong tak dia ni nak tiap ni mesingi tre mesingi shonging mesingi nang jin akap mentah kali akap pi tre tailoring beautician pi tre ki bakeries, atau kibi dah, ki plumber, ki electrical, mo, lasai lagi, nilaman form di group, mo ba? Isa abilo sa sepatai bah di nepur, ngim kuat film individual ada tadi pilih nak kejauh, walau kuat film beliau certificate. Nama sarkar lu kenapa bisa, kenapa excellent by fee, kenapa access by fee, hasil mana certificate mana ni guru ini kita boleh cakap.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ki Kampok Ging ke Jylla, Bak Preston Tensong, ula betha ya Deputy Commissioner bat ya USP West Giant Hills District, ban pet ngor ya ke Jinglong Jingman bat kasuk kasan hathan lapangam. Habakran bakilat patai Khubor, usembut Menteri Ulayatho. Mentai kilabo ya ke ketem Shipor, hakate ke Jaka, bat kidan ru hadu lai pongut ki pulit, ban pahara hakate ke Jaka.
As far as Lapangat is concerned, again, as I said to you, we have already directed the district administration plus the SP, and we have already created a temporary camp over there. We have about not less than 30 police personnel who working there for 24/7, and even from Assam side they did the same way. So I'm very sure now the situation is improving a lot. That yes, that of course the CM will take it up with the counterpart CM of Assam, and not only that, even over telephonic discussion was there. CM has already discussed. I can't say right now because, as I said to you, temporary calm has been created. So let us see. Once the situation is calmed down and once the situation is totally conducive, then again we will.
Ka Executive Committee jong ka KHEDC kala slot ya ka ikhtiar jong usordar ilaka nongpo halor ka jing ur jong ki longsan mansan jong ka ilaka sya ka Meghalaya High Court persya ya uba wan prang sim nong syai. Ka court kala betha ya ka KHEDC ban penlong election hapo lai banai ban jit sordar bathamai. Kumta ka isi jong ka KHEDC kala thong ya uba e basayo moj Deputy Secretary kum unong penyat Khubor Administrator yakane ka ilaka. Uba basayo moj ulathong ya uba Lustar Lingdo kum Secretary Khubor bat shipongut ki dekot na ki longsan mansan jong kane ka ilaka tar hadu banda jet ya sordar bathamai.
Deputy Secretary juga bisa Council. Ngawan hang ni ban sinti yang kam kum administrator juga hima nongpo nama arba hadin ba ka council habunai Desember kada parjar sa kada suspend yi harol ka jing kumpin jogi khit nang sinsar mo jogi digiling dora ki elector jogi hima di karadon ka jing ape no office te hadin pat nakalian bawan fan sendar bade la file ki sa po high court ka stay ka notification ka ba beng yi kum yu sedar kadang ai boy ka ana tiba in menteri kum sedar di nongpo ilaka hadit pada kami kes kalau nang ya hadu benai apun riu na gosan kini ka kur kelapa so order ba menghabar pulang daga referendum nambar kadon kan loss of confidence from the majority of the electors tadu kejing sania naki elector jong ka hima beje di sedap pura ke kan ka aipor ka kur ngi lai benai bengin pendep ke referendum ba hai te por kumpala thung yang apna de suba administrator jong ka hima ngawan pensinti melakasi ban iya kena ada ban sinsar kena ke himanong po ya tay ni bentar lai benai hadin dala dep kata nga sampai ke ban mi na ka referendum do ka na ka dis council tingi sai penbe ke la un wan biang ba wan sang ngai la tinjo bo sada bo pura bo thamai ta ka song ha ka jing start ka council ang ini hingan ka no tu wilayah rahi na marba ngana ka lenga council hi nam
Kinoya lambat ki record jong ka senkme ki Samla pule Jantia Students Union JSU kila turkan san sya office Deputy Commissioner Hajowai nakadaw ka jingsuki banbu ya ki ketem pahara ki pulit ka Jylla hakasnong lapangam. Hadin balayo ya ka kular na Deputy Commissioner West Jantia Hills banbu na ka ketem ki pulit Special Force 10 FS10 hasnong lapangam kani ka kunhun ki Samla JSU kala hunjai bat kila mino na ata DC office.
Tursha Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District nagabenta ban yakun ya ka hok jong kita gi nong snong ki badon hatay po lapangam ti haga ar pundru trik jong banai pundru arjar arbo san ile kando ya i sar preston bat ya ka home department abai dai bat ka jing request jangi government ban deploy ya ki special force atay hapo lapangap nakabenta ka safety jong kita ginong snong para gaju ka sngi ngilai kando ro ya i Director General of Police Government of Meghalaya banbu gaju ka sithi sa government nakabenta ban pan ya gini ki force ki balong special nakabenta ban safe ya kita gi nong snong ki badan hapo snong lapangap te mentag sngi hadin bangilai daplet tour sin sports secretariat yang EDC ilakot yangi bat ngilayo ya galat ban yekendo ya i deputy commissioner na kapenta ban submit ya kanika ultimatum for the immediate
Badak itu ki Khubor nglapoy sa kabakot tar hadu bangin daya siyang biang kublay sibon.